Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Futures. First, navigate to the Futures section on Binance. You'll see various contract options like USD-M or CoinM futures. These allow you to speculate on asset prices without owning the underlying asset. Remember, leverage can magnify both profits and losses, so proceed with caution and a solid plan. To start trading, you need to fund your futures wallet. Go to your spot wallet, find the transfer option, and select Fiat and Spot to USD-M futures. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, like USD, and enter the amount. Confirm the transfer, and your funds will be available in your futures wallet almost instantly, ready for trading. Now let's place a trade. Select your desired trading pair, for example, BTC/USD. Adjust your leverage carefully. A 10x leverage means your position is 10 times your margin. Choose your order type. A limit order lets you set a specific entry price, while a market order executes immediately at the best available price. Enter your desired quantity and click buy/long or sell/short. Risk management is crucial in futures trading. Always set a stop-loss order to automatically close your position if the price moves against you, protecting your capital. Also, keep an eye on your liquidation price. If the market reaches this point, your entire margin for that trade will be lost. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.